Which feature on a network switch can be used to prevent rogue DHCP servers? DHCP snooping. Which feature on a Cisco IOS firewall can be used to block incoming traffic on a FTP server? Extended ACL. Name any one secure network protocol which can be used instead of Telnet to manage a router. SSH. Provide a reason as to why HTTPS should be used instead of HTTP. HTTP sends data in clear text, whereas HTTPS sends data encrypted. How can you prevent a brute force attack on a Windows login page? Set up a account lockout for a specific number of attempts so that the user account would be locked up automatically after the specified numbers. In an ICMP address mask request, what is the attacker looking for? The attacker is looking for the subnet network mask of the victim. This would help the attacker to map the internal network. Why is RIP v1 insecure in a network? Because of TCP. What are 10-base-2, 10-base-5 and 10-base-T Ethernet LANs? 10-base-2, an Ethernet term meaning a maximum transfer rate of 10 megabits per second that uses baseband signaling with a contiguous cable segment length of 100 meters and a maximum of 2 segments. 10-base-5, an Ethernet term meaning a maximum transfer rate of 10 megabits per second that uses baseband signaling with 5 contiguous segments not exceeding 100 meters per segment. 10-base-T, an Ethernet term meaning a maximum transfer rate of 10 megabits per second that uses baseband signaling and twisted pair cabling. What is the difference between an unspecified passive open and a fully specified passive open? An unspecified passive open has the server waiting for a connection request from a client. A fully specified passive open has the server waiting for a connection from a specific client. Explain the function of transmission control block. A TCB or transmission control block is a complex data structure that contains a considerable amount of information about each connection. What is a management information base or MIB? A management information base is a part of every SNMP managed device. Each SNMP agent has the MIB database that contains information about the device's status, its performance, connections, and configuration. The MIB is queried by SNMP. What is a pseudo TTY? A pseudo TTY or false terminal enables external machines to connect through Telnet or R login. Without a pseudo TTY, no connection can take place. What does the mount protocol do? The mount protocol returns a file handle and the name of the file system in which a requested file resides. The message is sent to the client from the server after reception of a client's request. What is a external data representation? External data representation is a method of encoding data within an RPC message used to ensure that the data is not system dependent. What is a DNS resource record? A resource record is an entry in a name server's database. There are several types of resource records used, including name to address resolution information, resource records are maintained as ASCII files. What protocol is used by DNS name servers? DNS uses UDP for communication between servers. It is a better choice than TCP because of the improved speed a connection-less protocol offers. Of course, transmission reliability suffers with UDP. What is the difference between interior and exterior neighbor gateways? Interior gateways connect LANs of one organization, whereas exterior gateways connect the organization to the outside world. What is the Hello protocol used for? The Hello protocol uses time instead of distance to determine optimal routing. It is an alternative to the routing information protocol. What is source route? It is a sequence of IP addresses identifying the route a datagram must follow. A source route may optionally be included in an IP datagram header. What is RIP or Routing Information Protocol? It is a simple protocol used to exchange information between the routers.